Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Irshad bin Fitir Aziz, and a good day to our fellow lecturer, Dr. Mawani. Today, we are going to be presenting our group assignment for our report, and we have picked the topic, the future of telecommunication systems. So specifically, we will be discussing the transition from 5G to 6G and how artificial intelligence will drive the networks of tomorrow. So for introduction and evolution, so to understand where we are going, we first look at where we came from. So telecommunication evolves in 10 years cycle. While 1G through 4G focus on connecting people, 5G was designed to connect things like machines and IoT devices. However, 5G is already reaching its limits and high demand technologies like 8K streaming. So the next step, 6G, aims to go beyond just connecting devices. It aims to connect intelligence itself, targeting speeds of 1 terabit per second.
My name is Ahmad Nur Hasif, and now it's my turn to present the third and fourth slide, the shift to terahertz and RIS. So how do we achieve these speeds? We are moving to the terahertz spectrum, which offers massive bandwidth compared to today's network. The problem is that these high-frequency waves are easily blocked by walls and obstacles. To solve this, 6G will use Intelligent Reflecting Surfaces or RIS. Think of these as smart mirrors installed on buildings that can actually steer the signal around corners to ensure you stay connected. Moving on, another major trend is non-terrestrial network or NTN. Right now, ground tower only cover a small percentage of the Earth. Future 6G networks will unify this tower with low Earth orbit satellites like Starlink. This concept, called 3D coverage, means your phone will seamlessly switch between a tower and a satellite, keeping you connected even in the middle of the ocean or during a natural disaster. So, that is all from me. Thank you.
AI native architecture. Perhaps the most critical change is the role of AI. In previous generation, AI was just an add-on tool. In 6G, the network is AI native, meaning intelligence is built into the system core. This allows the network to self-heal by predicting hardware failures before they happen, and to self-optimize for energy efficiency, such as powering down antennas automatically when no one is using them. Future application. What does this all enable? We identified three key applications. First, high fidelity holographic telepresence, moving from flat video calls to real-time 3D projection. Second, digital twins that sync virtual cities with real ones instantly. And third, the tactile internet, which is crucial for remote surgery, allowing a doctor to actually feel tissue resistance from miles away through haptic sensors.
Okay, so the conclusion that we can conclude from this assignment is the future of the telecommunication is not just about faster internet. It is a fundamental shift from the connectivity to intelligence. Driven by terahertz wave, satellite integration and AI, 6G will blur the lines between the physical and digital worlds, creating a hyper-connected ecosystem that is faster, smarter and more reliable. As you can see here, there is our references. This is our references that we use for our research, including the recent studies from IEE and industry white papers. That concludes our presentation. I think that's all from us. Thank you, Doctor, for taking your time. That's all. Thank you.